Hey, it's time for another
Everyday Getaway.
And what is today?
It's Did Somebody Say Dessert?
And today we're going to be making
Some Spiced Applesauce Pumpkin Muffins.
not really a dessert, but it's a fall favorite of our family. So we're going to go ahead and give it a try. And hopefully you'll give it a try too.
All right, we make these muffins every year, like Doug said. Our sons love them. As a matter of fact, when our oldest son, Corbin, heard yesterday that we were making these, we already had to promise to get him some. And they are so easy. It's a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. I'll get that all in there. And we're going to add to that 4 ounces of applesauce, which is about a fourth or a half a cup. And I always, at the end, if it looks like I've mixed it up and it needs a little bit more applesauce, if it's not quite mixed enough or needs a little bit more, I add a little bit in. All right, third ingredient, we're going to add a spice cake mix, just a box mix. I know that sometimes they're difficult to find, so if you can't find a spice mix, I think you can use like a yellow cake and add some apple pie spice to it, like a teaspoon or two. I haven't tried it, but I believe you can.
Okay, so I'm going to mix this all together. Once I get it mixed together, then I'll take a look at it and see if I need to add more applesauce or not. Okay, so it looks like it's mixed in pretty good, so I'm not going to add any more applesauce. Looks like it's pretty good. I'm going to put a half a bag of chocolate chips in and mix those chocolate chips in there nice so that every muffin has a little bit of chocolate in it.
And these are semi-sweet, but you could use milk chocolate, probably white chocolate, and then there's some fun flavors. You could try some of those also. All right, Doug's got this mixed up really well. So we're just going to spoon it up into some muffin cups that we already have ready to go. And I did spray the spoon with a little bit of vegetable spray just so that it will slide off easily into the cup. And I put enough in just so they kind of go to the top. And we will whip through and see how many we can get made out of this. But at least 12, maybe a few more.
Okay, so you can add chocolate chips up on top. I'm going to put a few pecans up on top just to give it a little bit of texture to it. And I'm only going to put them on half of them because some people don't like the pecans, but you can put whatever your favorite nut is up on top of them.
All right, I'm going to add just a couple chocolate chips on the top of a couple of these, and then a couple we'll leave just plain. I believe that you can get gluten-free cake mix, so you probably could do this with a gluten-free cake mix, and then the applesauce and the pumpkin should be fine. And then you could, if you can't find a spice cake that's gluten-free, you could do just a yellow cake mix and add some apple pie spice. All right, they're going to go in the oven at a 350 about 20-25 minutes, and we'll just test them so that the tester comes out clean. And we'll have some muffins. While the muffins are baking, I'll show you some of our fall decorations. Fall has arrived. Absolutely love this time of year. I love all the colors and love decorating for it. So this is what our house looks like these days. All right, so we put them in for 20 minutes. I had to give them an extra 3 minutes, but they're done. We're gonna let them cool, and after they're all cool, we'll give a taste. If you haven't already, please take a second and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like the video. That way the next time we get into the kitchen and make another dessert or find something fun to work on, you can be notified and join us. All right, muffins are nice and cooled off. There's plenty of chocolate chips in the middle, but if you don't like chocolate chips, you don't have to include those. And again, you can put whatever on the top or leave the top blank if you want. Get that hint of pumpkin, a little bit of spice cake. I like the chocolate chips. You don't really taste the applesauce, but it makes it moist. I think they're really delicious muffins. It's so easy.
Hey, like we said, this was one of our favorite family treats this time of the year.
They are yummy, easy to make, don't have a lot of ingredients, but they're a nice quick breakfast or a snack.
And as you can see, you can mix them up by adding different things into it, just giving it your little favorite touch.
There you go. All right. Thank you for being with us today. Take care of yourselves, take care of others, and let us take care of you. If you have a prayer request that we can pray for, please drop it in the comments and we'll be sure to pray over them for you. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Please join us next Tuesday as we make another fun fall